Hello students, welcome back. In this video we will continue with the questions of functions. Okay. Last video we understand about the functions and when a relation becomes a function, and we did one sum. Okay. Now here again we will continue with the questions. Question number 2. Let capital A is equals to braces -2, -1, 0, 1, 2 braces closed, and f such that a to z, a arrow z such that f of x equals to x square minus 2x minus 3. Find first question range of f, second question pre-image of 6 minus 3 5. Now first of all, what is the function? Is a to z. A is given to you. What is z? So z is a standard denotation for integers. So that means z is integer, and you should know what is an integer. Minus infinity to plus infinity, all the numbers but not the decimal numbers. Okay, -2, -3, -1.5 is not an integer. These things you should know, which I have discussed earlier. So first of all, to find range we need f. फंक्शन चाहिए, सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म में दिया हुआ है, मुझे रोस्टर फॉर्म में चाहिए ताकि वहां के सेकंड एलिमेंट्स निकाल सकूं. दैट इज अ रेंज. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट फाइंडिंग द फंक्शन. सो a is what? Solution start from a. I have written the a. What is f of x? X square minus 2x plus 3. Okay. With function, how the function will look like? फंक्शन कैसा होगा? ब्रेसेस ऑर्डर्ड पेयर. इन ऑर्डर्ड पेयर में जो फर्स्ट एलिमेंट है वो होंगे डोमेन, और फंक्शन में डोमेन पूरा फर्स्ट सेट होता है. डोमेन इज द फर्स्ट सेट A. दैट मींस द फर्स्ट एलिमेंट्स वी ऑलरेडी नो. -2, -1, 0, 1 and 2. We know the first elements. Clear? Okay. x, y होता है ना ऑर्डर्ड पेयर. इसमें से जो x है वो फर्स्ट एलिमेंट होता है, and in a function domain of f, that is the first element, that is domain of f, and the first element is the whole set A, because domain of a function is equals to the first set. Function is from A to Z, which is the first set A. That means domain is the whole first set. Clear? Do you understand? So can I say this is the only domain of f? A जो set है वही domain of f है. Okay, so for finding the f we need the second term. What is second term? Y. What is y? F of x. Do you understand? So second set जो होता है, second element in the ordered pair is y. Y is f of x. So what is f of x? X square minus 2x minus 3. अब यहाँ पे डोमेन डालते रहो एक एक करके. -2 डालो, calculate it, you will get 5. Now you check whether this 5 is in the second set or not, because whatever the ordered pair you will have here, the second elements will belongs to the second set. What is the second set? Second set is a z. So is this 5 is an integer? Yes. So I am writing. So मैं पहले सोच ले रहा हूँ कि 5 is an integer, 5 belongs to z. So see, we substitute domain -2. Domain is -2. Okay. Why -2? कैसे सपना आया? नहीं, सपना नहीं आया. It's a theory कि domain of a function is equals to the first set. Okay, and domain is the first element of the ordered pair. These things you need to think initially. Okay, वापस बताता हूं. एक फंक्शन लिखने के लिए मुझे ऑर्डर्ड पेयर्स चाहिए. ऑर्डर्ड पेयर्स के अंदर जो फर्स्ट एलिमेंट है दैट इज डोमेन, और डोमेन इज द फर्स्ट सेट. सो इफ डोमेन इज द फर्स्ट सेट, दैट मींस द फर्स्ट एलिमेंट्स आर दिस एलिमेंट्स ऑफ ए. That means we have to calculate the second element. Now what is the second element? The second element is y. Y is nothing but f of x. That means you need to calculate f of x values for all the domain values. Okay, then you have to check whatever the value you got, is it belongs to the second set or not. यही करना है मेरे को. So I am substituting -2, calculating, we are getting 5. 5 is an integer, belongs to integer. This implies x, y. What is y? 5. This is y value ना. So x, y belongs to f. 2 की कंफर्म हो गया कि इंटीजर आ रहा है. नेक्स्ट, substitute next domain -1. f of -1, calculate here. Substitute and calculate. You will get 0. 0 belongs to integer. Yes, it's correct, integer. So x -1, y. Y is this value 0. Belongs to f. Clear? Similarly, f of 0. Take the next element 0. Calculate it. We get -3. Substitute 0 here. -3 आएगा. -3 is an integer, belongs to integer. Therefore 0, -3 belongs to f. मतलब f के अंदर होगा, बिकॉज ये दोनों नंबर्स इस कंडीशन को सेटिस्फाई कर रहे हैं. एंड एट द सेम टाइम 0 is in the first set and -3 is in the second set. वही चीज बार बार सोच रहे हो. फिर f(1) डालो, again calculate, think in the same way. -4 you will get belongs to the integer. That means what? 1 comma -4 again belongs to f. Ordered pair 1 comma 4 -4 belongs to, मतलब this ordered pair is inside function. Clear? Similarly, last two, calculate it, you will get -3. Again -3 belongs to z. -3 is again integer. That means x comma y 2 comma -3 ordered pair belongs to. That's why written implies. मतलब क्या? After this, that means that implies means what? That means we have taken a domain and we substitute and we calculated range, and that range we are getting is in the second set. That means this ordered pair will belongs to the function. Therefore, what is function equals to braces ordered pair. लिखो अब, जो पहले लिखा था मैंने, इसमें second एलिमेंट नहीं पता था मेरे को, so we already got the second एलिमेंट. So -2 comma 5 comma -1 comma 0 comma 0 comma -3 1 comma -4 2 comma -3. Now we can calculate range. What is range? Set of second elements. Set of braces second element 5 0 -3 -4. Again minus is repeating, so I will not write. Range aa gaya. Clear? Okay. So you understand how to define a function, how to write a function. So for writing a function, we start from the basics. For writing a function, we need ordered pairs. In ordered pairs, the first element are domain. Here domains are given to you. You have to calculate the second element, that is range. Range is nothing but y. Y is nothing but f of x. Okay. Now find the preimage of 6 -3 5. Now what is preimage? We have first set, we have second set. First set is A, second set is Z. Which elements are called preimage? These are called preimage. किसका प्रीइमेज निकालना है? 6 का. That means 6 is here, -3 is here, 5 is here. इसका प्रीइमेज निकालना है. That means y values are given to you because the second set values are y values. The domain's values are given to you. You need to find the range. The range values are given to you. You need to find the domain. Clear? So you need to understand the values which are given to you, whether it's a y value or the x value. So we need to find preimage of 6. So preimages are in the first step. That means किसका प्रीइमेज निकालना है? 6 का प्रीइमेज निकालना है. That means what is 6? 6 is y. इसके x का वैल्यू निकालना है. y is -3. इसके x का वैल्यू निकालना है. Clear? Now see nicely, huh? y6. You need to calculate x value. y6 means what? Y कहाँ होता है? Second elements of ordered pair. First we check all the ordered pairs of the function. Do we have second element 6 anywhere? No. So we have to calculate now. Okay. So y6. This is y. X square minus 2x minus 3. डालो उधर. In the place of y we are writing 6 equals to x square minus 2x minus 3. Because what is y? X square minus 2x minus 3. So in the place of y I am writing 6. क्यों कर रहा हूँ ऐसा calculation? क्यों करना पड़ रहा है? Because of the function we don't have any 6 here. Y is 6. That means where you will find that 6 value? In the first element or in the second element of the ordered pair? That is y. Y is the second set. Second set is y. That means the second elements you have to see. Do we have -6 anywhere? No, we don't have. That's why we are calculating it. So in the place of y we are writing 6. Then this 6 will go that side, becomes -9. Calculate करो. After calculation you are getting 1 plus minus √10. Is this an integer? Because this is x value we are getting. Okay, not integer. I'm sorry. You are getting this x value. Whatever the x value you are getting, that x value must be in the first set. तो फर्स्ट सेट में क्या? -2 -1 0 1 2. ये वैल्यू कहीं भी नहीं है. इसको कैलकुलेट करने से कहीं भी वो नहीं आएगा. -2 -1 0. So this doesn't belongs to the first set. Okay. So for y equals to 6, I am not getting any number in A. That means the 6 has no preimage. कोई एरो बनेगा ही नहीं. यहां से आपको वैल्यू नहीं बनेगा. So 6 is an image which don't have any preimage. Or another way around. This type of ordered pair we don't have. 6 comma something. ये ordered pair है ही नहीं. Possibly नहीं है F के अंदर. क्यों नहीं है? Because for 6 the x value which you are getting is not belongs to the A. वो A के अंदर नहीं आ रहा है क्लास. You understood? समझ में आ रहा है क्या क्या हो रहा है? Okay. So whenever they ask you some preimages values, first you see the function. We need 6 का preimage. First you have to understand what is preimage. First element of the ordered pair or the elements in the first set. किसका प्री इमेज निकालना है? 6 का. That means 6 should be in the second element in the ordered pair. So first check the ordered pairs. Do we have 6 anywhere? No. तो यहां से तो नहीं दिख रहा. Clear? That's why we are calculating the pre-image x value we are calculating, and we are getting something this. Now this x value must belongs to the first set. What is the first set in this function? A. So A के अंदर क्या value है? नहीं है. That means 6 has no pre-image. Now next, -3 pre-image. And this, what is -3? Y. Y -3 इसका pre-image निकालना है. So first to see the function, check out. Do we have any ordered pair where the second element is -3? Because y का value -3 है. तो second element -3 कहाँ पे है? इधर है और इधर है. तो इस -3 is the image. इसका pre-image is 2. -3 is the image. इसका pre-image is 2. 0. That means 0 and 2 is the answer. तो मैंने ऐसा लिखा है. Since 0, -3 and 2, -3 belongs to F. That means what is the pre-image of -3? 2 and 0. So here we don't need to calculate like this. In the books they have calculated. Why to calculate? We can see directly. Okay. Here we calculated because we cannot see that y6 anywhere. Similarly, next 5. So y is 5. So check out in the, do we have any 5 anywhere in the ordered pair as a second element? यह रखना सेकंड एलिमेंट चेक करना पड़ेगा क्योंकि y है. अगर ये x होता तो फर्स्ट एलिमेंट चेक करते. तो सेकंड एलिमेंट में कहीं 5 है? यस वी हैव हियर. सो -2, 5. Since -2, 5 belongs to F, that means this is the image and this is the pre-image. So what is the pre-image of 5? -2. So x is -2. X, y is 5. X is -2. Clear class? Okay, let's go to the next question. Okay class, let's go to question number 3. Let small f such that r to r such that f of x equals to 2 to the power x. Find range of f. Second, braces x such that f of x equals to 1 bracket braces close. Third question, find out whether f of x plus y, whether, okay, so you can whether f of x plus y equals to f of x into f of y for xy belongs to real number. So what is this? So how to do this question? Now see, f is such that r to r, whatever is given that I am writing, such that r, what is r? Standard denotation for real numbers. Such that f of x equals to 2 to the power x. We need to find range value. Normally till now how we got range? The function was given in set builder form, not roster form. From there we got the second element and that is range, right? Now here this question will be different. You have to think. See, range is what? Whatever the x domain I will substitute here, x value we will substitute. Okay, y equals to 2 to power x. F of x is 2 to power x. In the place of f of x we can write y 2 to power x. Now x value you substitute, whatever you will get, that is range. Now so listen very carefully. Yeah? What is x? X is domain. Domain belongs to the first set. What is real number? Okay. So for all x belongs to real number, मतलब x कोई भी वैल्यू दो, रियल नंबर दो. रियल नंबर कुछ भी हो सकता है, पॉजिटिव भी हो सकता है, नेगेटिव भी हो सकता है, डेसिमल में भी हो सकता है. ओके, सो अब यहां देखना 2 to power x, 2 to power 3, 2 to power 4, ये तो हर टाइम पॉजिटिव ही आएगा आंसर. 2 to power -3, ये कितना आएगा? 1 by 2 to power 3, ये भी आंसर पॉजिटिव में आएगा. 2 to power -1.2, ये क्या करेगा? 1 by 2 to power 1.2. ओके, ये भी आंसर पॉजिटिव में आएगा. सो आंसर्स तुम x के जगह कुछ भी डाल दो. यू सब्स्टिट्यूट इन द प्लेस ऑफ x एनी रियल नंबर, नेगेटिव रियल नंबर, पॉजिटिव रियल नंबर, डेसिमल नेगेटिव रियल नंबर और ओनली डेसिमल रियल नंबर. एवरीथिंग यू सब्स्टिट्यूट. ओके, 2 to power 1.2 सॉल्व करो, कुछ आंसर आएगा ना इधर? वो आंसर पॉजिटिव ही आएगा. ओके, हाँ, कभी कभी इसका आंसर डेसिमल में आएगा, कभी कभी इसका आंसर फ्रैक्शन में आएगा, कभी कभी डायरेक्ट इंटीजर आएगा. 2 to power 3. ओके, वैसे 2 to power 3 कितना होगा? 8. सो y coming as 8. 8 is an integer. 1 by 2 to power 3, 1 by 8 it is a fraction. पॉइंट में आ रहा है, तो y जो आ रहा है वो इंटीजर भी आ रहा है, पॉइंट में भी आ रहा है, सब कुछ आ रहा है, मतलब रियल नंबर आ रहा है. y is also coming as real number. लेकिन सिर्फ पॉजिटिव आ रहा है, that means y is positive real number. You understand this? So what I'm saying is that normally how we find range. फंक्शन तुम्हें दिया रहता था ब्रेसेस के फॉर्म में, ऑर्बिट पेयर के फॉर्म में. दैट वाज वेरी इजी. फ्रॉम द सेकंड एलिमेंट वी गेट द रेंज वैल्यू. अब यहाँ पे ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, हम निकाल ही नहीं सकते क्योंकि फर्स्ट सेट रियल नंबर है. हम नॉर्मली क्या करते थे, फर्स्ट सेट का वैल्यू यहाँ डालते थे और सारा वाई का वैल्यू निकालते थे, राइट. फर्स्ट सेट तो इनफाइनाइट है ना, रियल नंबर है इनफाइनाइट नंबर्स. माइनस इन्फिनिटी से प्लस इन्फिनिटी कितना नंबर डालोगे, पागल हो जाओगे. यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आई एम सेइंग? सो इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल टू कैलकुलेट द फंक्शन in set built in roster form. So I will use a common sense. What is the common sense? That x belongs to real number. That means in the place of x we can put integers 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, minus 9, 2. We can put decimals also. Okay, so let's put some integer 2. So what is y? 2 to the power x 4. Let's put some negative integer y equals to 2 to minus 2. 1 by 2 to the power 2. 1 by 4. Okay, let's put a decimal value 1.5. y equals to 2 to the power 1.5. That is, कैलकुलेट करोगे तो कुछ आएगा. नेगेटिव माइनस 1.5 डालो, y equals to 2 to the power minus 1.5. That is 1 by 2 to the power 1.5. Again you will calculate. So see, you're taking an integer, negative integer, decimal number, negative decimal number. That is, you're taking all the real numbers. And y you're getting integer, decimal number, again decimal number. Whatever the y you're getting decimal number as well as integer. That means y you're getting real number again. But always positive real number you're getting. जैसे यहाँ पे x में नेगेटिव डाल सकता हूँ ना, क्योंकि x रियल नंबर है. लेकिन क्या y कभी नेगेटिव आएगा? कभी नहीं आएगा y नेगेटिव, क्योंकि पावर में है. पावर वाला अगर नेगेटिव डालोगे भी, if you in the place of x if you substitute negative power, then also it becomes what? Positive only. 1 by 2 to the power 1.5. This value can never be negative. That means what is, so that this all thinking we write in a single line. For all x belongs to real number, y belongs to positive real number. Okay, y कभी भी negative नहीं आएगा. हाँ, real number आएगा. Why real number? Because y can be integers, y can be decimals. That's why real number. लेकिन y cannot be negative, so positive real number. So what is range? Range of f is r plus, or you can write like this: positive real numbers. You understand this? If you don't understand, please talk to me in WhatsApp. Okay. Now this is the first question. Now let's go to the second question. Now try to understand the second question. X such that f of x equals to 1. In this set, the element is x. In this set because of the basis, the element is x. How this element is x? Condition is this. So since f of x equals to 1, what is f of x? 2 to the power x equals to 1. यहां से किसका वैल्यू निकालना है? x का, क्योंकि एलिमेंट क्या है? x है. तो x इज इन पावर, तो पावर का वैल्यू निकालने के लिए बेसिस को इक्वल करना पड़ेगा. 2 to the power x, 2 to the power 0 is 1. सो वहां से क्या आ रहा है? x equals to 0. तो आंसर क्या होगा? बेसिस 0. सी बेसिस का एलिमेंट्स क्या है? x है. वो x इस कंडीशन को सेटिस्फाई करता है. सो इस कंडीशन को सेटिस्फाई करने के बाद हाउ मच यू गेटिंग x? 0. That means basis के अंदर x is 0. So this is the answer. Clear? Now let's go to the third part. What is the third part? Find out whether f of x plus y. So first we calculate f of x plus y. Now see here. F of x 2 to the power x. In the place of x we have x plus y. तो 2 to the power x plus y. यहाँ पे x है तो यहाँ x है. तो इस x की जगह x plus y है, तो यहाँ भी x की जगह x plus y आ जाएगा. Clear? Clear? Okay. अब f of x into f of y निकालते हैं. तो f of x is 2 to the power x into f of y, x की जगह y है 2 to the power y. ये भी कितना? 2 to the power x plus y होगा ना. So they are equal ना. f of x plus y, f of x into f of y. Yes, they are equal. Yes, f of x plus y is equals to f of x into f of y. Okay, plus. Okay, let's go to one more sum. Okay class, this is the last question of this video, and then we will complete the basics of functions. Okay, question number 4. Let f equals to braces 0, -5, 1, -2, 2, 1, 3, 4, 4, 7 braces closed, be a linear function. So this word is very important. That's the reason I am doing this question. Linear function from z into z. Z is an integer. Write an expression for f. थोड़ा अजीब सा क्वेश्चन है, अजीब सा एक्सप्रेशन निकालना है f का. ये एक्सप्रेशन मतलब क्या? सो ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड फर्स्ट. f इज अ फंक्शन. हम ऐसे लिखते हैं f, इसके अंदर ब्रेसेस ऑर्डर पेयर होता है such that x and y belongs to such that y equals to something or y equals to something. These x and y combining we have an expression now. That expression they're talking about. You need to calculate that expression. Do you understand this? What is that expression will look like? That you need to calculate. Okay? तो यहाँ पे y और x को जोड़ने वाला, that means these numbers 0 and -5, 1 and -2, 2 and 1. We need to find an expression which combine all these numbers of the ordered pairs. Okay? And one hint is given to you, it is a linear function. That means the expression is also linear. Since it's a linear function, expression is linear. Now, what is the meaning of linear expression? ये समझो पहले. Linear expression होता क्या है? We have two numbers x and y. We have to combine these. Okay? Linear expression means what? In the expression, x power and y power will be 1, 1. Okay? X power and y. That is called linear. If it is a quadratic, then out of x and y, one have a power of 2. If it is cubic, one has a power of 3. Okay? So as it is linear, both will have a power of 1. तो उसको लिखने का तरीका ये है, y equals to something into x plus something, or x equals to something into y plus something. Anything you can write. So I have solved this question in two different ways. ऐसे करके और वैसे करके. In both the ways you will get the same answer. That also I have shown. So since f is a linear function from z into z, therefore y equals to ax plus b. Y equals to something x plus something. Something I am taking ax plus b. So this is the expression. See, y power 1, x power 1. That means it is a linear function. Okay. Now my job is to, here we have considered two things on our own, a and b. So we need to calculate this a and b. Because that is my job. Okay? Clear? Okay. Now how to calculate a and b? For calculating a and b, there are two variables. We need two equations. For that, we need x and y value. So what are these x and y values? These are ordered pairs. So I take any two ordered pairs from here. I am taking first this. Why this? There is a reason behind it. क्योंकि इसमें x 0 हो जाएगा ना, डायरेक्टली a 0 हो जाएगा. देखो since 0, ordered pair 0, -5 belongs to f. That means in the place of x and y we can substitute this. So in the place of y I am substituting -5 equals to a into x. X is what? 0. A into 0 is 0 plus b. From there I directly got the b value is -5. So फायदा हो गया ना ये डाल के. अगर मैं दूसरा कुछ डालूंगा, you will get the answer, but what will happen? You will have two equations in terms of a and b. Then you have to solve those. But here, if you take this one, then it is very easy. जल्दी calculate हो जाएगा. Because if you take 0 in the place of x, this a will be 0. You will directly get b value. Okay? So we use one ordered pair. Now you take any one ordered pair. it's जरूरी नहीं है कि यही और यही लोगे. You can take any one. You will get the same answer. So I'm taking the next one. And 1, -2 ordered pair belongs to f. That means what? In the place of x we can put 1. In the place of y we can put -2. In the place of y, -2 equals to a into x. A into 1. 1 plus b. From there what is a? -2 minus b. In the place of b, -5. A you got 3. You got a. What is the expression? Y equals to ax. That is 3x minus 5 plus b. B के जगह -5. आ गया. Okay. So few important a new thing you understand. What is a linear function? Okay, a function where x and y are related with a linear equation. What is a linear equation? Okay, with where x and y, the variables, have a power 1, 1. Now, if someone, this line, they write like this, x equals to ay plus b, तो उसका गलत नहीं होगा, उसका भी सही आंसर आएगा. ठीक है? x equals to ay plus b. Again, take 0, f belongs to f. In the place of x, you substitute 0. A in the place of y, -5. -5a plus b. So we got an equation from here. B के value मिल गया. Clear? Now 1, -2 belongs to f. Again you substitute in the place of x1. In the place of y, -2. -2 into a plus b. Now solve these two questions. Subtract कर दें दोनों equation को. b कट जाएगा. From there you will get a 1 by 3. Substitute a here, you will get b 5 by 3. Substitute these values here. X equals to a 1 by 3y plus b 5 by 3. When you solve it, you will get y equals to 5x plus 9. So you cannot keep the answer in this form. You have to write y in terms of x. Because we need function na? F. F is f of x. So therefore, what is f of x? F of x is 3x minus 5. So this is the expression they're talking about. F. Okay class, that's all for this video. Thank you.